We earned $2,070, which is very good result. Yeah, nice! Yeah, wow! What a strong movement there was! Yeah, great! Hello, I'm Camila. Before the start of the video, I want to inform you that I have a nuances Telegram channel where I conduct trading sessions, live streams, and answer to your questions. If you want to be a member of my community, then go to my Telegram channel and write me private messages I want to join the VIP. It's absolutely free. See you! Watch this video till the end and I will tell you about my super useful trading guide which you can get absolutely free today. Friends, today I will tell you about one of my favorite pocket option strategies. We will use two really simple indicators that, if used skillfully, will bring us a good profit. So, we go to the trading platform I use pocket option, and I will leave the original link to the platform itself in the description. And we begin to set the settings necessary for the strategy. Set the chart type to standard, candles. Time frame 1 minute. Expiration time also 1 minute. In the Indicators tab, select Zig Zag and Stochastic Oscillator. Leave default settings for both. For the strategy, the conditions for entering a call trade is Zig Zag should be pointing down and Stochastic should cross its signing line in or around the oversold zone. For a put trade, we are looking for the opposite. Zig Zag should be pointing up and Stochastic should cross the signing line near the overbought zone. We are all set, so let's move on to practice. Friends, before moving on to the practical development of my new trading strategy, I promised to tell you about my awesome trading guide. My guide is a collection of my rules for organizing money management, which will help you earn big money on trading without loss. Today, you can get my guide for free. What do you need to do? Follow the link in the description of this video to my Telegram channel, subscribe to it, and write me in private messages I want a guide. Do it right now, and then you will thank me. And we move on to practice. Okay, so here is the first situation for today. Zig Zag pointing down, Stochastic crossed its signing line, and I think now is a good time for a call trade. Few seconds left and we probably win. Yeah, nice! We got $690 net profit. Great start! Friends, I'll be glad for any of your activity. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, to my Telegram channel, put likes and write comments. I do it for you. And again, Zig Zag is pointing down and Stochastic crossed the signing line. So I'm waiting for the next candle to open a call trade. Yeah, I'm entering. Yeah, wow, what a strong movement there was. Super easy win and another $690 for my balance. Zig Zag is pointing up, so I'm waiting for this candle to close. If Stochastic cross signing line, I will open put trade. Yeah, let's enter. Just a few seconds left and it must be win. Yay! Great! $690. Wow, what a good strategy! Today we reviewed a very profitable and pretty easy strategy. We earned $2,070, which is very good result. For today, I have everything. Subscribe to my channel, put likes and write comments. See you in my next video. Bye!